All right, here we have a Frederick Mauthe Swayingen German time and strike wall clock, and I have identified five worn pivot holes on the back plate. Um, there's the logo right there. How I identify the movement. I'm going to just kind of move the wheels, and if you look closely, you can see how they're rocking side to side. Okay, those are the worn holes that I'm going to be rebuilding. And on the strike side, right here is pretty bad. And this one here is pretty marginal. So since I have it apart, I'm going to go ahead and take care of it. You can see that every single wheel, especially on the time side, right here, you can see the old oil. Surprised the clock even works, but and that's going to be taken care of. You can see right over here, we do have some oil buildup. So once it comes out of all the work's done, and once it comes out of the cleaner, it should look a lot different.